How to fix Play Store waiting for Wi-Fi on any Android phone. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy. Go to settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager as you can see right here, and then go to apps here in the top. And now on this page, all what you have to do is search for Google Play like this, and then click on Google Play Store, and now go to this data usage option and enable all these options that you have here, and then go back and click on the storage and click on clear cache and clear data, and then click on the force stop option, and now reopen the Play Store and the problem must be solved as you can see right here. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end.